Yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times where I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again.
Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way.
Oh,
I've seen fire, I've seen rain,
I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind to an easy time,
better towards the sun.
Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around.
But there's hours of time on the telephone line
To talk about things to come,
sweet dreams of flying machines and pieces on the ground.
oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times that I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things going my way this time around now. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you fly and pray.